Let us speak with one voice. We stand for the right of all people to live free from discrimination. We stand for the right of all people to participate equally in our society. And that is why we fight to pass the Equality Act. We stand for the right to marry the person you love, and that is why we fight to pass the Respect for Marriage Act. We stand for the right to participate in our democracy, and that is why we fight to pass the Freedom to Vote Act and the John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act. We stand for the right of every person to have autonomy over their own body, and that is why we will write the protections of Roe v. Wade into law. And so tonight, let us remember the advice of the great hero, Harvey Milk, who said, quote, "Rights are won only by those who make their voices heard." By helping families pay the upfront cost for energy efficiency upgrades to their homes, we are also lowering energy bills, bringing down household costs, creating jobs, and fighting the climate crisis. It's all connected.